Namaste and a very good evening to one and all present here. Me, Manya Kabla,
And me, Nilay Vyas.
welcome you all to Aurelia, an evening where hidden brilliance finds its spotlight and every soul shines with its own golden aura. Powered by Consagra Eye and ENT Hospital, co-powered by Salis and Prabhu Kripa Hospital.
Aurelia is a Latin word meaning golden, radiant and shining. ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ તો ઓરેલિયા એ એવી વ્યક્તિ અથવા ક્ષણને દર્શાવે છે જે આત્મવિશ્વાસ, સુંદરતા, ઉચ્છ્વાસ અને પ્રતિભાથી ભરપૂર હોય છે.
Today we have with us our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Monali Ma'am Akadia, Superintendent of Civil Hospital, Dr. Hemal Sir Consagra from Consagra Hospital, Dr. Ghanshyam Sir Kavatia, HOD of Microbiology Department, Dr. Geeta Ma'am Singhal, Anatomy Department. We welcome guests from Nobelis Hospital.
We also welcome Ilyas Sir Juneja from Surgery Department. Tonight is more than just a fest. It's a vibe, a celebration of passion, creativity, and the spirit that brings us together. For one evening, lectures, assignments, and hectic schedules take a back seat. Because tonight, the stage belongs to music, dance, drama, laughter, and pure excitement. Every performance you witness tonight carries countless hours of hard work, confidence, and heart. So don't hold back. Cheer louder, clap harder, sing along, and live every moment to the fullest.
Tonight, you will get to see the charm of medicos. They'll make you resonate with their talent and passion. Cause हम वो स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो कल की ज़िंदगी बचाने के सपने भी रखते हैं और एक खुशहाल ज़िंदगी जीने का जुनून भी रखते हैं.
Be it taking clinical history or learning classical music, they can do it all. So tonight, let's pretend to forget that we're medicos. Let's just keep all that medical knowledge aside and become a happy-go-lucky person who is cheerful and unconcerned about anything and simply enjoy this night. કહેવામાં આવે છે કે જ્યાં પ્રકાશ છે ત્યાં જ પ્રગતિ છે. તો ઓરેલિયાથી આ ભવ્ય ઉજવણીની શુભ શરૂઆત કરવા હવે સમય આવ્યો છે દીપ પ્રાગટ્ય વિધિનો. હું સાદર આમંત્રણ આપું છું અમારા માનનીય મુખ્ય અતિથિ શ્રી તથા પ્રતિષ્ઠિત મહેમાનોને મંચ પર પધારી દીપ પ્રાગટ્ય દ્વારા કાર્યક્રમનો શુભ આરંભ કરવા માટે. Please, all the professors and sponsors, please step onto the stage for the Deep Pragatya Vidhi.
चलो अब भगवान का नाम ले ही लिया है तो इवेंट तो बढ़िया होना ही है. लाइट्स आर सेट, स्टेज इज रेडी and atmosphere is electric. So let the excitement take over us and begin the unforgettable journey called Aurelia. પરંતુ કોઈ પણ શુભ કાર્યની શરૂઆત પહેલા હંમેશા વિઘ્નહર્તાના આશીર્વાદ લેવા તો જરૂરી જ હોય છે.
બિલકુલ. ભગવાન ગણેશના ચરણોમાં વંદન કરીને આ ભવ્ય સાંજની શરૂઆત કરીએ. by a performance of Ganesh Stuti from 25 batch.
सुमनस वन्दित सुन्दरि माधवि चन्द्र सहोदरि हेममयि मुनिगण वन्दित मोक्षप्रदायिनि मञ्जुळभाषिणि वेदनुते पङ्कजवासिनि देव सुपूजित सद्गुणवर्षिणि शान्तियुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि आदिलक्ष्मि जय पालय माम्.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
તો આજ સાથે શુભ કાર્યની શરૂઆત થઈ ગઈ છે તો બોલો ગણપતિ બાપ્પા. इसी बात पे एक शायरी याद आ रही है.
क्यों नहीं?
नजरें मिली तो होश उड़ जाएंगे, दिल मिलेंगे तो गीत बन जाएंगे. नजरें मिली तो होश उड़ जाएंगे, गीत मिली तो दिल बन जाएंगे. अभी तो सिर्फ कदम रखा है उन्होंने स्टेज पर, जब नाचेंगे तो सबके होश उड़ जाएंगे.
वाह 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 वाह, क्या बात है. So now let's welcome our next performer, solo performer, Riya Pillai from 24 batch.
Tell me how it's gonna be. Wanna bend that, go down to your feet. Do you wanna be with me? Do you wanna be the one? John Chahilele much say. Do you wanna see the thing? John koi bhi na dekhe. How you make you come feel? Baby let me reveal. Na dekhe koi dekh le tu. अंग्रेजी में सैया कर लिया तेरे नाम का टैटू. कर लिया तेरे नाम का टैटू. अंग्रेजी में सैया कर लिया तेरे नाम का टैटू. मेरे देसी सैया कर लिया तेरे नाम का टैटू.
Like they do in Texas, please. Fold them, let them hit me, raise it, baby, stay with me. I love it. Love game, intuition, play the cards with spades to start. And after he's been hooked, I'll play the one that's on his heart. show him what I got.
Can't read my, no, he can't read my poker face. She's got me like nobody. Can't read my, no, he can't read my poker face. She's got me like nobody.
Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face.
Absolutely breathtaking. Thank you, Riya, for leaving your heart on that stage floor.
આહા આ ડાન્સ જોઈને બધાનો મૂડ એકદમ ફેસ્ટિવ થઈ ગયો છે. આખું સ્ટેજ હજી ધ્રુજે છે.
સાચી વાત છે, પણ થોડી વાર માટે હવે આંખોને આરામ આપે અને કાનને એક મીઠાશનું અનુભવ કરાવીએ.
Let's welcome singing performance from 25 batch, the one and only Tilak Patel.
Audience, cheers!
હે પણ સોરઠ ધરા જગ જૂની હે પણ સોરઠ ધરા જગ જૂની હે જોને ગર્વ ગઢ ગિરનાર હે અને જોને ઘડવો ઘડ ગિરનાર હે અરે રે નમડા નરને હે કોટે મોર ટહુકિયા હે કોટે મોર ટહુકિયા ને જોને વાદળ ચમકીવી હે મારા રુદાને હે મારા રુદાને રાણો સાંભળ્યો હે જોને આવી અષાઢી ઘન ઘોર જરે જહુ મારું 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 મન મોર બની થન ઘાટ કરે મન મોર બની થન ઘાટ કરે મન મોર બની થન ઘાટ કરે મોર જરે ચહુ મારું મારું માન મોર બની થન ઘાટ કરે મન મોર બની થન ઘાટ કરે મન મોર બની થન ઘાટ કરે મારું મન મોર બની થન ઘાટ કરે મન મોર બની થન ઘાટ કરે મોર બની થન ઘાટ કરે મન મોર બની થન ઘાટ કરે घर 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 मेघ घटा कड़ गगन गगन घर जाट करे घुमरी घुमरी घर जाट भरे नवे धान भरी सारी झिम झूले नदियों नव जुबन भान भूले नव दिन कपोतनी पाक खुले मगरा मलकाई ने बेदा नेह सु बात करे गगने गगने घुमराई ने पागल मेघ घटा घर जाट भरे मन मोर बनी थन घाट करे मन मोर बनी थन घाट करे मारू मन मोर बनी धन घाट करे मन मोर बनी धन घाट करे बनी धन घाट करे मन मोर बनी धन घाट करे हे आषाढौचारं मेघमलारं बनिबहारं जलधारं ददूर्डकारं मयूरपुकारं तडिततारं विस्तारं नलहि सवारं दास अपारं नंदकुमारं निर्झारी हे कहे राधे प्यारी मैं बलिहारी गोकुल आवो गिरधारी रे गिरे गोकुल आवो गिरधारी अरे सरदर अमर तरन तन अनुसर कर घरवर घर मेल करे हर हर सुर अवर अक्षर अति मन हर भर भर अति उर हरख भरे निर्घट नर प्रवर प्रवर घन निर्जर निकट मुकुट सिर सवर नमे हे घन रव पट फरर घरर पद गूंगर रंग भर सुंदर श्याम रमे रे धीर रंग भर सुंदर श्याम रमे रे धीर रंग भर सुंदर श्याम रमे
વાહ રે વાહ શું અવાજ હતો આખા માહોલમાં એક મીઠી મીઠાશ ગોલી દીધી યાર
Alright guys, the heat is already on. It's time to bring out the next solo performer from 24 batch, Rajshri.
Oh, you know, when 24 batch takes over, they don't just perform, they make a statement. Get ready for unmatched attitude and sheer balance. So let's welcome her with big round of applause. Guys, cheers!
बिरह सौदाई मन की शहनाई कानों में ठुमरी छेड़ जाए रे कानों में ठुमरी छेड़ जाए रे तन की दीवानी मन की न मानी मन बोला तन बेईमान हाय रे मन बोला तन बेईमान हाय रे हाय रे अगबाई हन्ना बचाए रे अगबाई हन्ना बचाए
एक नजर देखेगी तीर तो फेंकेगी एक नजर देखेगी तीर तो फेंकेगी मौसम बदल देगी वो लैला तेरी ले लेगी तू लिख के ले ले वो लैला तेरी ले लेगी तू लिख के ले ले
नाचो नाचो चलो नाचो मेरी रानी तेरी जवानी तेरे बदन में फिसलता पानी कसम खुदा की आग लगाती एक मिनट गल सुन जा कदा चढ़िया हुसन तेनू नवा नवा कहंदे टपदी सी तू जचदी सी तू चल मैनू भी ते नच के लुखा हाँ मुझका दारू माड़ा मोटा कैश यार बेलिया ने कितनी कुफर में सो ना अशके जाने की वलती जानू बच के सोनिए मेरी हीरी है सारी नचियां ने हुण वारी तेरी है सो गेट अप जवानी जरा लक नू हिला जेडी वजदी है भी ओ मेरी है round move to your left so juicy मेरी इतनी वड्डी गड्डी दी बैक सीट ते मैं तू सी ओ मेरी रानी तेरी जवानी तेरे बदन में फिसलता पानी कसम खुदा की आग लगाती get up
Okay, so let's be honest. The bar is already set high. But the 24 batch doesn't care about bars. They are here to smash them. આ એક માત્ર ટ્રેલર નહીં, આ તો ટ્રેલરની પણ ઝલક હતી. હજી તો ટ્રેલર, પિક્ચર બધું બાકી છે.
બિલકુલ હવે સ્ટેજ પર ગ્રેસ અને ક્લાસિકલ એલિગન્સ લાવવા આવી રહ્યા છે હિતાર્થી દીદી આકાંક્ષા દીદી પૃથ્વી દીદી અને દર્શી દીદી જોરદાર તાલીઓથી એમને વધાવો
दो दिलों की ये प्रेम कहानी ले आए देखो कहाँ पिया अब आजा रे मेरे पिया हो मेरे पिया अब आजा रे मेरे पिया
સિલસિલે ચાહત કા અને આમી જે તો માર ઓ માય ગોડ શું ક્લાસિકલ વાઇબ્સ હતી.
સાચે જ બહુ જ ખૂબસૂરત પરફોર્મન્સ, આખું ઓડિયન્સ મંત્રમુગ્ધ થઈ ગયું છે.
અને હવે આવી રહી છે પરફોર્મન્સની ઘડી, જેના માટે આપણે બધા આતુરતાથી રાહ જોઈ રહ્યા હતા. ધ 2023 બેચ.
જી હા, આપણા રિસ્પેક્ટેડ દીદી સ્ટેજ પર આવી રહ્યા છે. તો સૌપ્રથમ આપની સામે સ્ટેજ પર જાદુ વિખેરવા આવી રહ્યા છે પ્રિન્સા દીદી એન્ડ ગ્રુપ. પ્લીઝ વેલકમ ધ દેસી દિવાસ.
क्या बताएं जिसको सनम मानकर शब भर मरे, हाय जिसको सनम मानकर शब भर मरे, वो कमीना सुबह होते फुर हो गया, जिसको मोहब्बत का टीचर कहते रहे, वो टीचर एक लेसन में फेल हो गया. कसके जीन पैंट जंटल मन जो बने, रात भर पैजामे से लड़ता रहा. हम जगाते रहे दिल जलाते रहे, वो जमाई रज़ाई में लगाता रहा. झल्ला मेरा आशिक झल्ला बल्ला, मेरा बलमा झल्ला बल्ला, मेरा झल्ला बल्ला बल्ला.
आतिल है नजर एक महाजबी एक नूर नगी, रब की रुबाई क्या है तबाही, गर्दन जुराही बोली इलाही, अफगान जलेबी माशूक फरेबी, घायल है तेरा दीवाना भैया भैया, बंदूक दिखा के क्या प्यार करेगी, चेहरा भी कभी दिखाना भैया भैया.
વાહ 23 બેચ વાહ, જલ્લાવલાનું શું પરફોર્મન્સ હતું. પણ આગળના પરફોર્મન્સમાં આપણી વચ્ચે આવી રહ્યા છે ધ 2022 બેચના સ્ટુડન્ટ. સિનિયર્સ આર ઓલવેઝ ગોલ્ડ, એ આજ ફરી સાબિત થઈ ગયું છે.
જી હા, બેચ 2022 નિવ્યાદી નારાયણ સ્ટેજ પર આવી રહ્યા છે ફોર અ સોલો ડાન્સ ધમાકા સોંગ છે. તેરે નાલ નચના જોરદાર તાળીઓથી સ્વાગત કરીએ નિવ્યા દીદીનું.
Party like the bad ones. Drop it down, shawty, let me bag some. Girls,
दुनिया दी सुन दी ना बहरी जवानी, मस्ती च मस्ता
ਦਿਲ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਿਤ ਦਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਨਾਲ ਰਜੇ ਤੇ ਜੋਗੀ ਦੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਜੋਗਣ ਹੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ
Get ready. I'm a king, but I bop, I'm a saint. They call me a bad man, that's a fucking good thing. Mama said swing back when another man swings, so I made my mama proud and they make their heads ring. Father, forgive me, I can't forgive them. You know my history, know what I did then, and what I do now, a whole lot worse. Heavy is the head, it's a blessing and a curse.
Thank you very much. What a wonderful performance it was. Now I would request all the faculties as well as all the sponsors to please come up on the stage as we are starting with the award distribution ceremony.
કેમ છો પીડીયુ મજામાં I am Riya Pillai
And I am Priyanka Yadav from 24 batch. The wait is finally over after all the cheering, competing and participating in unforgettable moments. We are now here for the most exciting part of the evening, celebrating our winners. Now get ready to cheer the loudest for our friends, classmates and champions.
I would like to request our esteemed dignitaries to felicitate our students. Please clap for them. चलो फेलिसिटेट करने से पहले एक शायरी से शुरुआत करते हैं.
मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. पंख तो यूं ही फड़फड़ाते हैं, हौसलों में जान होती है.
Now I would like to request Dr. Monali Ma'am Makadia, our Superintendent and HOD of Plastic Surgery, to felicitate our badminton winners.
In badminton women singles, runner-up award goes to Keya Didi Vaishnavi from 22 batch. From 24 batch.
In the women's doubles category, the runner-up award goes to Manjana Didi Gadsa from 21 batch and Vishwa Didi Merja from 23 batch. And the winners are Omika Hirani from 24 batch and Keya Didi Vaishnav from 22 batch.
Patel from 24 batch. And winner award goes to Sudhir Bhai Goyal from 22 batch.
In the men's doubles category, the runner-up award goes to Vaibhav Patel from 24 batch and Yashbhai Thakkar from 23 batch. And the winners are Sudhir Bhai Gohil from 22 batch and Manish Bhai Chaudhary from 22 batch.
category, Devraj Bhai Prajapati from 22 batch and Dr. Palak Didi Kansagra resident in runner-up award. And the winners are Vaibhav Patel and Umika Hirani from 24 batch.
Thank you so much, Monali ma'am, for felicitating our students.
Now I would like to request Ghanshyam Sir Kavathia, HOD of Microbiology Department. Now it's time for our table tennis winner.
In men's singles, the runner-up award goes to Sujal Bhai Waghela from 22 batch. And the winner is Dr. Rutvik Bhai Kanani, resident.
In men doubles category, runner-up award goes to Sujal Bhai Waghela and Joy Bhai Patani from 22 batch.
The runner-up award goes to Pooja Didi, resident. And the winner is Nishka Didi Buchasia from 23 batch.
In women doubles category, runner-up award goes to Hetvi Didi Mehta from 21 batch and Pragati Didi Sorathia from 21 batch.
And the winner is Prithvi Didi Mashiawa from 23 batch and Pooja Didi, resident. In the mixed doubles category, the runner-up award goes to Yashbhai Thakkar from 23 batch and Prithvi Didi from 23 batch. The winners are Vritvik Bhai Dobaria from 21 batch and Pragati Didi Sorathia from 21 batch. Thank you so much, sir, for felicitating our students. Now we would request Dr. Madhulika Ma'am Mistry, Professor of Microbiology Department, to come felicitate our volleyball winners.
The runner-up team is Swaraj. And the members are Arjun Bhai Kumawat from 22 batch, Jasraj Bhai Chaudhary from 22 batch, Vikram Bhai Chaudhary from 22 batch, Ranjit Chaudhary Bhai from 21 batch, Ritik Bhai Viswas from 21 batch, Pankaj Bhai Dhakad from 23 batch. Kumawat from 22 batch. And best actor award goes to Sujit Chauhan bhai from 22 batch. Best server award goes to Pankaj bhai Dhakar from 23 batch.
Now we move on to our Kabaddi winners. The runner-up award goes to Swaraj team. The winner team is Soratno Barvatio. The Best Defender award goes to Shivang Bhai Tada from 23 batch. The Best Raider award goes to Sujit Bhai Chauhan from 22 batch. The Best All-Rounder award goes to Krish Bhai Chhaiya from 23 batch. Thank you so much, ma'am, to felicitate our winners. Next, I would like to request Hemal Sir Kansagra, our title sponsor of the evening, to felicitate our athletics winners.
In tug of war male, runner-up award goes to Jai Shri Ram team from 21 batch. And winner are Jai Bajrang Bali team from 22 batch. category, runner-up award goes to 21 batch team. And winner are Pink Thunders from 23 batch.
In shot put male category, the third position goes to Divyang Bhai Sarvaiya. The second position goes to Mohit Bhai Zala. The first position goes to Sanjay Bhai Tank. In the female category, the third position goes to Suhani Didi Sadatia. The second position goes to Vishakha Didi Pan. The first position goes to Vishwa Didi Merja.
In discus row male category, third rank goes to Ronak Bhatt from 24 batch. And second position goes to Mohit Bhai Jhala from 21 batch. And first position goes to Sanjay Bhai Tank. In female category, third position goes to Vishakha Didi Pan. And second position goes to Vishwa Didi Merja. And first position Satadia.
In the long jump category, male, the third position goes to Deep Detharia. The second position goes to Prakash Dan. The first position goes to Vikram Bhai Chaudhary. In the female category, the third position goes to Vishwa Didi Merja. The second position goes to Sweetie Patel. The first position goes to Vishakha Didi Pan. Thank you so much, sir, for felicitating our students. Now I would like to request Dr. Geeta Ma'am Singhal, a professor of anatomy department, to felicitate the rest of our athletics winners.
In 100-meter race, third position goes to Vrutvi Bhai from 21 batch.
The second position goes to Divyang Bhai Sarvaiya. The first position goes to Prakash Dan. In females, the third position goes to Esha Didi from 23 batch. The second position goes to Vishwa Didi Merja. The first position goes to Vishakha Didi Pahan.
In 200 race male, the third position goes to Nurup Chaudhary from 24 batch. And second position goes to Nanil Waghela from 24 batch. And first position goes to Veer Patel from
The third position goes to Ronak Bhatt. The second position goes to Deval Bhai Kher. The first position goes to Prakash Dan. In 800-meter race male, the third position goes to Dhruvil Bhai Baldania. The second position goes to Dev Bhai Dave. The first position goes to Dhruvraj Singh Bhai Barad. In relay race 100-meter male category, the third position goes to Hanshal Bhai Prajapati, Ronak Bhatt, Sujal Bhai Patel, Manish Bhai Sathar. The second position goes to Mitul Bhai Chauhan, Karsan Bhai Ulva, Divyang Bhai Sarvaiya, Sujit Bhai Chauhan.
Position goes to Ritik Bhai Biswas, Jasraj Bhai Chaudhary, Vikram Kumar Bhai Chaudhary and Prakash Dan.
In relay 400-meter male category, the third position goes to Yashraj Parmar, Mohit Prajapati, Nilay Vyas and Nihar Sahu. The second position goes to Dhruvraj Singh Bhai Barad, Dev Bhai Dave, Dhruvil Bhai Baldania, Dhruv Bhai Limbani. The first position goes to Harit Bhai Amrutia, Tarun Bhai Gopani, Vatsal Bhai Dhokia, Deval Bhai Kher. Thank you so much, ma'am, for felicitating our students. For the next categories, we would like to welcome Dr. Kshama ma'am, Professor of PSM Department.
In female category, third position goes to Hetvi Kotadia, Astha Rathod, Durvanshi Shah, Tanvi Sakhalia. And second position goes to Sweetie Patel, Palak Nimana, Kavya Vasoya, Vaibhavi Patel.
The first position goes to Vishwa Didi Merja, Vishakha Didi Pan, Suhani Didi Sadatia, Esha Didi.
In high jump male category, third position goes to Vipin Bhai Meena. And second position goes to Prabhu Bhai Rabari. And first position goes to Mitul Bhai Chauhan.
In the triple jump male category, the third position goes to Dhruvraj Singh Bhai Barad. The second position goes to Veer Patel. The first position goes to Dhruvil Bhai Baldania. In javelin throw category male, the third position goes to Akshay Bhai Rathod. The second position goes to Aryan Bhai Vanvi. The first position goes to Dharmik Limbasia. Thank you so much, ma'am, for felicitating our students.
Now I would like to request Dr. Payal Shah ma'am from Pathology Department to please felicitate our pickleball winners. In pickleball men's doubles category, the runner-up is Harsh Bhai Bharadwa from 23 batch. And Om Bhai Mulia from 22 batch.
Winner award goes to Joy Bhai Patani from 22 batch and Krish Bhai Chhaya from 23 batch.
Doubles category, the runner-up award goes to Dharmi Didi Sorathia and Khushi Didi Ghodasara from 21 batch.
Winner award goes to Palak Didi Kansagra and Krishna Didi, resident.
In mixed doubles category, the runner-up award goes to Dev Bhai Tang and Dharmi Didi Sorathia from 21 batch.
Winner award goes to Sujal Bhai Waghela and Jahel Didi Rathod from 22 batch.
winner award goes to Nishit Bhai Patel from 23 batch. In men's doubles category, runner-up award goes to Yash Bhai Thakkar and Nishit Bhai Patel from 23 batch. The winner award goes to Jignesh sir and Mayur sir from Biochemistry department. Sir is not available right now. Now let's move to next category. Women's singles runner-up award goes to Dr. Riddhi ma'am. And the winner award goes to Dhruvi Didi Gamit from 23 batch. In women's doubles category, runner-up award goes to Vedhi Didi Patel and Dhruvi Didi Gamit from 23 batch. And the winner award goes to Kea Didi Vaishnav and Mrugna Didi Laktaria from 2022 batch. In mixed double category, runner-up award goes to Dhruv Raj Bhai Barad and Vedhi Didi Patel from 23 batch. And the winner award goes to Nishit Bhai Patel and Ritu Didi Prajapati from 23 batch. Thank you so much, ma'am. So now I request Dr. Ilyas Juneja sir from Surgery Department to felicitate our students. goes to Parth Bhai Kothari from 2022 batch. Second award goes to Vishwesh Bhai Patel from 22 batch. And the first award goes to Rushang Bhai from 22 batch.
Now let's welcome the winners of our push-ups. The third prize goes to Chahat Bhai Prajapati from 23 batch. Goes to Dhruv Bhai Sandesh from 22 batch. The first prize goes to Deepak Bhai Parmar from 23 batch. The winners of arm wrestling. Under 55 kg category, the winner is Hardeep Singh Bhai Solanki from 23 batch. To 65 kg category, the winner is Manish Bhai from 22 batch. Under 65 to 75 kg category, the winner is Raghav Bhai Parikh from 22 batch.
Under 75 to 85 kg category, Dhruv Bhai Sandesh from 22 batch.
Under 85 to 95 kg category, Shivam Bhai Pandey from 22 batch.
Under 55 kg category, Dhruv Raj Singh Bhai from 23 batch.
Under 55 to 60 kg category, Dhruvil Bhai Baldania, 23 batch.
Under 60 to 65 kg category, Manish Bhai from 22 batch. Under 65 to 70 kg category, Dhaval Bhai Mali from 23 batch.
Under 70 to 75 kg category, Raghav Bhai Parik from 22 batch.
Under 75 to 80 kg category, Dhruv Bhai Sandesh from 22 batch. Under 80 to 85 kg category, Ronak Bhatt from 24 batch. Under 85 to 90 kg category, Shivam Bhai Pandey from 22 batch. In open category, Manish Bhai from 22 batch. In open category, Raghav Bhai Parik from 22 batch. Thank you so much, sir.
I would request Monali Makadia ma'am to kindly facilitate our Bandish winners. The third prize of Bandish goes to Bharadwaj Agrawat from 23 batch.
And the second prize goes to Dr. Suraj Bhai Hirve, medicine resident. And the first prize goes to Tilak Patel from 25 batch. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I request Dr. Riddhi ma'am from Pharmacology department to felicitate the winners of online competition. Third prize for Vista goes to Keval Bhai Jalavadia from 21 batch. And the second prize goes to Dr. Renish Bhai Patel, resident. And the first prize goes to Dr. Raj Bhai Harsoda from 21 batch. Now let's move to the winners of Autocracy. Third prize goes to Nile Vyas, 24 batch. Second prize goes to Dr. Heath Bhai Radaria, President. And the first prize goes to Prem Khatar 24 batch.
In string of words, third prize goes to Dr. Krishna Didi. Second prize goes to Abhi Bhai Chakravarti from 23 batch. First prize goes to Nilay Vyas from 24 batch. Thank you, Riddhi ma'am. Now let's welcome our academic scholars. I would request Ilyas sir to kindly felicitate our academic scholars. For 2021 batch, third prize goes to Dr. Neel Bhai Gadresia from Second prize goes to Khushi Didi Kalola. Third prize goes to Mehak Didi Rathwa from 21 batch. First prize goes to Dharmi Didi Sorathia. Now let's welcome the academic scholars of 2022 batch. Third prize goes to Forum Didi Kavathia. Second prize goes to Vatsal Bhai Kikani. First prize goes to Hiloni Didi Patel. Now I would like to Scholars of 2023 batch. Third prize goes to Yashbhai Thakkar and Hitanshi Chavda Didi. Second prize goes to Rashmi Didi Dikshit. First prize goes to Achyut Bhai Padia. Now let's welcome the Academic Scholars of 2024 batch. Third prize goes to Khyati Rojasra. She is also the gold medalist in anatomy exam. Second prize goes to Devanshu Vora. First prize goes to Palak Durgia. Now let's welcome the winners of Cricket Carnival. Runner-up award goes to 24 batch team.
Everybody knows say bravo a champion. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody know Chris Gayle is a champion. Dini a champion, Bounty a champion, Marshall is a champion, Bunty is a champion, Pollard is a champion, Lara is a champion, Gayle is a champion. Don't forget Michael Jordan, Obama a champion, Mandela a champion, Serena a champion, Wendy a champion, Shelly a champion, 958 both a champion. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows it. Bravo, a champion. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows Chris Gayle is a champion. Come on.
On special request of winners, I would like to welcome Geeta ma'am, along with Ilyas sir and Anuradh sir. The winner is Team Titans. Captain Gautam Nath.
Champion, champion,
Sunil Dihasia.
champion, champion, champion.
Dr.
Everybody
Gautam
knows
Nath.
it. Bravo, a champion.
Dr. Sunil Dirasia, Dr. Bhavya Ranipa, Dr. Harshil Chauhan, Dr. Kunj Bhai Hatalia, Dr. Kalp Bhai Virja, Dr. Vatsal Dhokia, Dr. Rahul Bhai Makwana, Dr. Rahul Bhai Sharma, Dr. Mohit Bhai Zala, Dr. Pratik Bhai Sasukia, Dr. Uday Bhai Solanki, Dr. Keshu Bhai Parmar, Dr. Mitul Bhai Chauhan, Dr. Vipin Bhai Meena.
Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows say bravo a champion, 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 champion. Everybody know Chris Gayle is a champion. Dini a champion, Bounty a champion, Marshall is a champion, Bundy is a champion, Pollard is a champion, Lara is a champion, Gayle is a champion. Don't forget Michael Jordan, Obama a champion, Mandela a champion, Serena a champion, Wendy a champion, Shelly and a champion, 958 Bull a champion. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows say bravo a champion, 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 champion.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. I would request Anurag sir Savalya to please come back to facilitate our winners. For maximum runs, the award goes to Harshil Bhai Chauhan from 21 batch.
Award for maximum wicket goes to Veer Patel, 24 batch. Award for best fielder goes to Naroop Chaudhary, 24 batch. Player of the match award goes to Yashraj Singh Parmar, 24 batch. Award for best striker goes to Dr. Pareen Bhai Chaudhary, resident. Player of the match award goes to Dr. Gautam Bhai Nath, 21 batch. Award for most valuable player goes to Dr. Sunil Bhai Dharajia from 21 batch. Now let's move to the football category.
The runner-up in football is Team Underdogs, 23 batch. 20. The winner is Team Vanar Sena. Award for Best Striker goes to Dr. Harshil Bhai Chauhan from 21 batch. Award for Best Goalkeeper goes to Dr. Mohit Bhai Zala from 21 batch.
Now let's move to announce the winners of box cricket. Runner-up award goes to Rahul Bhai Sharma and Team 21 batch. Rahul Bhai Sharma, captain of the team. Devang Bhai Malvi, Gautam Bhai Nath, Prateek Bhai Sasukia, Keshu Bhai Parmar, Mrugna Didi, Bhavya Bhai Bela, Seema.
The winner team is Rahul Bhai Ranipa, Bhavya Bhai Ranipa and team from 21 batch. Captain of the team Dr. Bhavya Bhai Ranipa, Dr. Bhavya Bhai Makadia, Dr. Parag Bhai Harnesha, Dr. Krish Bhai Chaiya, Monang Vekaria, Khushi Ghodasra Didi from 21 batch, Dr. Dharmi Didi Sorathia, Dr. Shreya Didi Patel.
Award for most valuable player goes to Bhavya Bhai Ranipa from 21 batch. Award for most valuable player goes to Bhavya Bhai Ranipa 21 batch and Seema Khichadia from 24 batch. Thank you so much, sir.
Due to the inconvenience caused earlier during the felicitation of Artocracy, we would like to announce the winners again. Vishwa Didi Melja from 23 batch, Dr. Hed Bhai Radaya, Dr. Prem Kathad from 24 batch. Now we would like to call upon Dr. Hemal Kansagra for some words of wisdom.
Respected Monali Madam, Kavathia sir, faculty members, proud parents, guests, dignitaries, and my dear future doctors. It's my honor to be here at the function of prestigious PDU Medical College, Rajkot. The function has been excellent. Also, they have selected Aurelia, is lovely, beautiful. So I wish all the students, the organizers, the participants, all the best. They have done a fantastic job. as we were going through the prize distribution, we came to know that they have organized lots of sports events, so which is wonderful to see that students are involved in such sports, cultural events, taking time from their books and all these things. So I would suggest that this is not a function, it's a celebration which you will enjoy for your life, because what you gain from this, the brotherhood, what you learn will help you throughout your career, the leadership which you gain, because some has done good dances, some has sung well, some has managed behind the scenes, some has managed all the events. So this all will help you in your future life, not only as doctors but as leaders. So I would say that keep these memories with you, because once you become surgeons, physicians, this brotherhood, these rehearsals, these small fights will bring big smiles on your face. So all the best, students, for your wonderful future, for your wonderful career. Thank you very much.